Good morning. The Hollywood movies stop their supply. Many illegal DVD sellers get a lot of money in their business. This is the interview with one of illegal DVD sellers. Thanks.
Government do regulation tax for foreign movies to go into Indonesia. Because of this, many DVD sellers get a lot of money. Oh. Excuse me. Yes? What do you think about regulation tax for the foreign movies in Indonesia?
I'm happy because I'm trying to be more crazy.
How many CDs can you sell every day?
Usually I can sell 10 CDs, but now I can sell 40 CDs.
Are you the maker of the legal CD or only the seller of legal CD?
I'm always the seller.
In this condition, how much money does the CD cost?
I think it's around 6,000 rupiah for one CD, and I give 2 CDs for the customer who buys 10 CDs.
Wow, you make a good promotion. So that's why you get a lot of money from this business.
Yes?
Have you ever got any bankrupt in this business?
Till now, I haven't got any bankrupt, and I hope I won't.
Thanks for the time you've given to me.
You're welcome.